Do you want to upgrade the present home entertainment setup with the greatest 4K ultra short throw projector available? The top 4K ultra short throw projectors that will be on the market in 2023.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Samsung 120-inch Premier 4K ultra short throw projector. In terms of high-end expansive home theater, the Samsung 120-inch Premier 4K ultra short throw projector is the pinnacle of brilliance. The projector's 120-inch screen can be seen from only inches away and has an incredibly sharp 4K resolution with the 2200 lumens. High-end color accuracy and contrast are provided by the USD technology for a completely immersive experience. The robust 40 speaker's crisp, room-filling sound is produced by acoustic beam technology. The gadget also includes a wide range of intelligent functions, such as internet access and voice control, that can be used to stream content from different apps and sources. The projector's modern style also fits perfectly with any living area. The 120-inch Samsung Premier 4K Ultra Short Throw projector is a high-end piece of home entertainment equipment overall. It delivers an unrivaled movie experience from the comfort of your own home with spectacular pictures and strong acoustics. For anyone seeking for a cutting-edge projector, it is a top pick due to its cutting-edge technology and excellent features. On number 2, we have LG CineBeam Q715 4K Ultra Short Throw projector. Another excellent option among the top 4K Ultra Short Throw projectors in 2023 is the LG CineBeam. This projector creates incredibly clear and detailed images thanks to its exceptional 4K resolution. With a 120-inch diagonal screen size, it can create an immersive movie experience for you to enjoy at home. The extreme short throw function minimizes any distractions or shadows that a typical projector setup would create by positioning the projector just a few inches from the screen. It also comes with LG's Think AI technology, which offers voice control and easy interaction with other smart home gadgets. This projector also boasts a sleek, contemporary style that blends well with any living room or home cinema setup. If you're looking for a strong, great 4K ultra short throw projector that can provide a cinematic experience in your home, the LG CineBeam is unquestionably a choice to consider. On number 3, we have Viewsonic X200B-4K ultra short throw projector. One of the best in its class, the ViewSonic 4K ultra short throw projector offers high-quality images and a beautiful and portable design. It has a breathtaking 4K resolution that produces bright, vibrant, and incredibly detailed images. Additionally, this projector has a strong LED lamp that can last up to 25,000 hours, making it ideal for prolonged use. With a throw ratio of just 0.25, the ViewSonic 4K Ultra Short Throw projector can produce an image that is 100 inches long from a distance of only 15 inches. Due to its compact size, it is perfect for places where a typical projector might not work. Furthermore, with a contrast ratio of 3:1, this projector ensures that dark subjects are shown in great detail and clarity. The integrated sound system of the ViewSonic 4K Ultra Short Throw projector is another fantastic feature. There is no need for extra speakers because the projector's built-in twin Harman Kardon speakers produce loud, clear sound. It is simple to set up and operate right out of the box as a result. On number 4, we have LG Q85 Lay 4K Ultra Short Throw projector. The LG Q85 Lay is unquestionably worth looking into if you're searching for a high-end 4K ultra short throw projector that will take your home entertainment to the next level. Thanks to its 2700 ANSI lumens of brightness and 4K Ultra HD resolution, this remarkable piece of technology provides an immersive watching experience. The LG cutting-edge laser projection technology, which guarantees higher color accuracy and a broader color range, is one of its most notable features. You may have a theater-like experience in the comfort of your own home with a screen that is no larger than 120 inches. Another appealing feature of the LG Q85 Lay is its streamlined, modern appearance. Due to its small size, you can put it close to your viewing surface without any problems, and it fits in with any home cinema setup. Additionally, its intelligent features make it simple for you to watch your preferred material. The LG Q85 Lay is a premium projector that offers exceptional picture quality and a number of useful features. It's ideal for people seeking the best possible home entertainment. So these are some of the best projectors to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.